Seem like everywhere I go, I see you. From your eyes, a smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly, I reminisce, don't want to.
Hi guys, today I am finally doing this makeup tutorial. So many of you guys were like, do a makeup tutorial, do a makeup tutorial. So I did it for you guys today. So I'm so excited. I know it doesn't look exactly the same. I tried my best to make it like the exact same, but I did the exact way I did it in my hair tutorial. So if you want to see how to do this look on my face right now, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start off by priming my eyeballs with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is my favorite eye primer. Just prime your eyeballs. I already put foundation on. I do that first. And if you want to know what foundation I'm wearing or how I put on my foundation, you can watch my tutorial. I think it's the best natural foundation. I think that's what it's called. And setting powder. So I'll leave a link in the little bubble up here somewhere, so you guys can click on it if you want to see how I do my foundation. So make sure your eyeball is nice and primed because you're going to be using color, because especially with red, sometimes red stains your eyes, so it is good to prime your eyeballs. It sounds weird, eyelids, not eyeballs obviously, but I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Eyes on the 80s palette. I don't think they have this palette anymore, but all you basically need is a red color, an orange color, and a yellow color. It doesn't matter what you use. We're going to first start off with the red eyeshadow, and I'm going to put this in my crease area. This part doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cut out your eye. Not like literally cut out, but you're going to carve it out with like some concealer. So you don't have to be perfect with this step. I think before I did like a orange base first and then the red, but I believe it'll work the same way because I basically covered the orange with the red after all that anyways. And you're just going to keep packing the color on until you get a bright red color. So now that we have the red down, we're going to carve out where we're going to put the yellow and orange. And I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base. And it looks like this. It's like a really good primer slash concealer kind of thing. It's like really good to carve out an eye shape. I'm just going to use this little brush right here. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's just like a flat concealer brush pretty much, and we're going to try our best to do it as neat as possible. This part is like the hardest for me, but I kind of do like simple tutorials, so it's kind of like very simple, but at the same time it looks like you did so much. So basically you're just going to have like a little half cut crease, I guess. It's like a half crease. So slowly do it. You don't have to do this super fast. It takes time. My Snapchat is blowing up. Follow me on Snapchat. Shameless plug. I'm just kidding. If you want to talk to me whenever, you can follow me on Snapchat, by the way. I forgot how far I went, but I think I'm going to just do it like halfway like this. And we're just going to blend it. It's crazy that I messed up. It's crazy that concealer can make your look so sharp without you doing too much. And then I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Hopefully it looks the same, because the first time I did it, I don't know if you guys noticed, but this eye wasn't as good as this eye. But it wasn't like clean. So hopefully this eye will be as clean as this one. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have the concealer on. I feel like I messed up on this eye, but we're going to try to fix it with eyeshadow because this is not the end. Obvi. I feel like this eye looks better this time. I'm not perfect at makeup, but you guys wanted to see this tutorial, so I'm bringing it to you. So now we're going to go into the yellow. Yellow and reds and orange are my favorite things to put on my eyeballs because I feel like it looks so good. The concealer creases a little bit, so you have to work fast or you'll get creasy lids. But I like to just blend it out if I see a little crease before I put the eyeshadow on, because I don't want my yellow to crease. So we're going to pack it in the inner corner part first. You have to put a lot on for the color to show. These are not like the most pigmented, but I think yellow is a hard color to do like super pigmented. Okay, so now that we have the yellow on, I'm going to move on to the orange. And I'm going to pack it right next to the yellow. And when I'm doing that, I'm blending the two colors together so you don't have like a super harsh line. You don't want to have a harsh line. You want it to be seamless, blend together. So you can pack over the yellow with the orange. And you're just going to keep packing it on. I like to tap it on. So just keep packing and packing. And if you feel like your yellow's going like disappearing, you can go back to the yellow and tap the yellow on top of the orange, like keep going back and forth, and then it like blends together. Like I'm gonna go back with the red and then like tap the red on top of the orange so that the colors blend together. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the red, and we're just gonna pack the color on right here. It just very lightly, so you don't take away too much of the orange. But you see how it's making it blend. And then we're going to go lightly over where everything goes, like that. So that they all like it seems like it's all together. So these are the colors so far. I think it looks pretty. I may have to go a little bit more on this side, because I feel like it lost its color. I'm going to, I think I'm going to add a little bit of light color on my brow bone, and then I'm going to line my lids, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I lined my lids, and then I put some eyelashes on. These are from Allure, and this is the Golden Goddess. I freaking love these lashes, so that's what I have on right now. And now I'm going to bring some color to my bottom lash line. I'm just going to use the red. I'm not going to use like all the colors. I feel like I just used red underneath my eyeballs. I can't remember. But I'm just going to smoke it out underneath my eye. I may add some yellow around. I don't know. So just smoke it out. And then you're going to add some mascara. My favorite mascara right now is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This stuff is a no joke. Like, it is so good on your eyelashes. Like, if you have like these itty bitty tiny lashes, these, like this mascara makes them look amazing. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara on my bottom just so that they don't look non-existing. So here is the finished eye look. I ended up putting all the colors on my bottom lash line. It's just very lightly. It's mainly red under there, but this is the finished eye look. I didn't really do much. I added a little bit of highlighter and then like a nude lip, but that wasn't like important. Mostly you guys wanted to see the eye makeup, so that is how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial. If you do enjoy makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy them, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload a new video. And I think that's all I can say. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!